Diane and Denmark here, rah rah rah. Happy Friday, we made it to the end of another week, hooray hooray hooray. Today is the final day of our morning routine reset week. Now, hope you've enjoyed this week. What have we been doing? We have been looking at our morning routines. Why do we have a morning routine? Well, it makes less work for us at the end of the day, and it just takes away that feeling of stress. You know, we've got a plan for something. We've been talking about, you know, where are we writing it down? Are you using a notebook? Are you using Flylady control journal? This is my one. Who Go Home? Are you using an app? You know, what is it that will help us to nudge us to get things done? You know, have you set up reminders on your phone? And yesterday we were talking about how to make it cozy, you know, hyggelig, as we say in Danish. Just making it pleasant for ourselves, because I love my routines. You know, I love my morning routine, I love my evening routine. I don't always love the idea of having to do it, but I get it done because I know, as I said, it makes life so much easier. It takes away the stress and it's less work in the end. If just a wee bit planning, instead of kind of standing in that situation, it makes it much, much easier for us. So if you didn't see yesterday's video, there were lots of great ideas of how to make your routine more pleasant, maybe changing up the order of things so you get a little reward at the end, maybe doing something to make the whole experience of moving through your routine in the morning more cozy or hyggelig. And I got some ideas from that as well. So if you didn't see that yesterday, check out that. My friend Claire on Instagram, she posted the other day this thing of what your shiny sink sees. It was a little thing where she's posted a selfie of herself of what her sink would see. And I hope you'll join in on that. I did my one this morning. And I love when you know, I come down in the morning and I'm kind of, where's the coffee? And I can come down, grab my coffee. I'm going to have another cup of coffee. Here's my coffee cup from this morning. I can come down and just seeing the sink is, you know, tidy, clean. It just gives you that feeling of just peacefulness. You know that you're in control. You're the grown up here, and you have set yourself up for this. You know, for the success. So anyway, I hope you'll join in that little what is your shiny sink see selfie thing. In other news, it is Friday. Woohoo! Which in Flylady land, as I like to call it, is clean out your car, fill up with petrol. In my case, it's always checking my bike basket, making sure there's no kind of rubbish in there, and maybe pumping out my bike tires. Clean out your purse or handbag, as we say in British English. And I've told you this before, you know, when I started with Flylady, like, what's that now? That was in 2006. You know, I would see this thing on the Friday, you know, clean out your purse. Now, purse in British English is your wallet. Hold on, I'm trying not to show you any credit cards. Your wallet. And I was thinking, oh, I'd cleaned out my purse, not realising it was actually a handbag. So take a wee look in your handbag today, swimming bag, kids, if they've got some kind of sports bag, backpack, your stroller, you know, diaper bag, you know, baby changing bag, all those kind of bags where you just kind of cram stuff in. Take a wee look through there today. You might want to top up your hand sanitizer. We keep these little bottles in all our bags. I've got one in my swimming bag, got one in the car, got one in my coat pocket for when it's a bit colder and we're going out for a walk. Maybe check your mask situation, add in some fresh masks. And the usual thing, get rid of any snotty hankies, receipts, and I've always got like 3 lipsticks in there, I don't know why. So handbag, your purse, the whole shebang. And the other thing is, of course, it is date night in Flylady land. As you have heard many times before, my husband and I would like to stay home. Normally, if we're going out for date night, it'll be like a rock concert or something. Obviously, that's not happening anymore. Though we have been to the cinema a couple of times. Cinemas have reopened here. Anyway, so that's it for Friday. We are still in Flylady Zone 2 at the moment, which is the kitchen. And this morning when I came down to have my cup of coffee, oh, hello, It's a wee bird in the bird feeder. And I cleaned out the bird feeder, I have to say. I cleaned out the bird feeder. And I washed it up and I thought, okay, I'll come back in a minute and I'll dry it. And you know how that went. So I went off and got it. And then I was just about to set up for filming this video and I thought, what's that tapping on the glass? And it was one of the wee birdies that was like, where's the food? And I'd forgotten to dry it off and put it back up. Anyway, everybody's fed and watered now. We're all good. So anyway, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Remember and join in with us on Instagram. What does your shiny sink see? And I think that's about it really. Yeah. Oh, and remember, if we're in Zone 2, I've got ideas on my blog, dianedenmark.com, of things that you may want to stock up on for Zone 2, gardening in Zone 2. I'm going to be taking a wee look at that. And that is it. So anyway, I shall send you off in a minute away with a pom-pom salute. I hope you've enjoyed our little morning reset week. And I'll see you when I see you. So anyway, live long, prosper. May the Danish summer hoodie be with you, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye for now. Bye, bye, bye.